This is a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500. It features a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 13,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Performance Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 906 Route 10 West in Randolph.